We on vacay.
Hey everybody, it's Sean.
And this is KC.
And we're on vacay mode.
You know it.
If you're new to the channel, we have a new pop-up travel deals. Make sure that you definitely click the bell so you can be reminded about that, because we definitely want to keep you informed with all the best deals that's be going on. Like as we speak, as we pop, we're shooting out deals to you. It can be on cruises, airfare, hotels, anything travel related. So if that's what you're looking for, you came to the right channel.
Right, and we also too give you plenty of travel advisory, tips on our latest travel news and tips and cruise on everything, so feel free to click the bell, join us, so anytime we jump in with the latest video weekly, you can be informed.
So what we want to talk to you guys about today is how you can find the best deals for hotels. How are you going to get those discounts? Something that you definitely want to do is pick up the phone. I know we live in a generation that's all about the internet and what have you, but no, I want you to get off that texting, get off that internet, and pick up the phone. And the reason why, because you can call the hotel that you're booking with, and you can actually, some hotels will price match for you what you actually find online. And instead of having a third party do it, you want to do it directly. And make sure you find the hotels that offer you some perks. Maybe free breakfast, a late dinner, some kind of kickback. And when you call in, you can also request that you want like a late checkout. So calling in is way better. Oh, and if you do call in, don't call like their 1-800 number. No. Say you're going, for an example, you're going to Houston, Hilton Hotel. You want to call the particular hotel that you're going to, because if you call an 800 number, they're not going to give you the same deals and discounts.
Yeah, they're going to give you somebody random, but you call directly to that hotel, you're going to definitely, they want your business, so they're going to give you the deals.
Definitely. And the next thing you want to do, you want to check the fine prints. And what I mean by that, okay, so you decide not to call, you decide to go online, you maybe, what is it called, Trivia Go or Booking.com or one of these hotels.
Travelocity or whatever.
Searching places. Yeah. And what happened is, a lot of time in their fine prints, they have extra fees. And so a lot of these small like hotels that don't want to pay these extra fees are not listed on their site. So technically you're not getting all the hotels involved. So you're just picking and choosing from different hotels that's willing to pay that fee. And these smaller hotels are not willing to pay it. So definitely check the fine prints, because you don't want to miss a good discount because a hotel didn't want to pay a commission fee to someone else.
Shop around, Shop around to more than one hotel, because, and especially you can check them by phone, check them by the internet, call them direct, because you might get a better deal than you do online.
Definitely. Something else that you want to do, if you decide to go online, okay, that's great. We know a lot of, known ones like Expedia and stuff. What you want to do, you want to bundle your deals. So maybe you have air, car rental, and hotel all together, because bundle them is going to give you the best deal instead of doing a single. If you do a single, you're going to pay separate for airfare, separate for a hotel, separate for a car rental, and you look back like, oh man, I didn't receive no discount. So you definitely want to bundle your deal if you're going to do that, and that way you can get the best rate that you can, you can find.
And a lot of these airlines, if you notice, they have those little bundle deals right there, so when you're booking your flight, also to check to the side and see what hotels they're getting, because they've been working with these hotels, so they give you the best offers right then and there, so you can get one-stop shop of everything you need.
Definitely, yeah, I like that. Something else that you want to do is something that I do with a lot of websites. You want to sign up for their alerts. Just like how we were saying, don't forget to subscribe so you can definitely sign up to these websites so you can be alerted on when different things is going on and happening. And that way, like different websites like Kayak, one thing they do for you is compare different deals that's going on, and they'll shoot you different emails when they're having maybe a sale on something, or the best time, or most popular discount. You definitely want to do that. And last but not least, something else that you want to do is look for coupon codes. There's many places out there you can find coupon codes. There's all over the internet.
Retail Me Not.
Yeah.
I mean, Deal News. I mean, they got, Cruise Critic. You have plenty of these places where you can get these definitely good deals.
Yeah, and these coupon codes, I mean, it might take a little time to look for them, but they definitely save you lots and lots of money.
Right.
Believe me, I have car rentals that, just an example, say I was renting for a week for maybe $300, and I found a coupon code and got the exact same deal for maybe $175. So these coupon codes, you search around, you see what's the best one, and it's going to save you a lot of money.
Wow.
So I hope these tips were helpful for you when next time you decide to book a hotel.
And when we, we were explaining about the pop-up travel deals, we're going to give you these same coupon codes as well. So that's why it's very vital for you to subscribe and click the notification bell. So when we get these deals and these, for these hotels, flights, and cruises, we're going to shoot them to you with these coupon codes as well.
So we really hope that all this stuff was helpful for you. I'm Sean.
And this is KC.
And we'll see you next time
On vacay mode. See ya.